back to another Pokebay video. Today I have this Blastoise box. It's very nice. So I think part of the $30 that you pay for it is for the packaging because it's honestly really nice. So I'll just leave that there. At least you guys can see Blastoise. Here's the Blastoise jumbo card I got. And then so the pack that comes with is 2 Unbroken Bonds, 1 Lost Thunder, 1 Fates Collide, 1 Sun and Moon, 1 Celestial Storm, and there's the other Unbroken Bond. Then here are some awesome pulls I got out of it. I got obviously the promos, the War Turtle, the Squirtle holographic, the Blastoise GX, really nice, and then this Tauros GX from the Fates Collide. Yeah, and I did have this a long time ago, but I lost it like 2 years ago, so it's good to have another one of these cards in my collection once more. And then my favorite that I got out of the whole entire box was this Muck and Alolan Muck GX, really nice. And yeah, I'll show you guys the pins and the flip coin you get out of it. I mean, I guess you can guess what it looks like already, but here's the Blastoise pin. And then here's the Blastoise flip coin, which I really like. And then here are the 9 code cards because I don't play online TCG. So here. Oh, that one's upside down. Okay. This is just, no. Okay. And then dual code card action. Boom. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Thank you for 14 subscribers. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Next week, I believe, I will be getting a black and white. Because I just ordered that. So, yeah. Bye.